Hello, can you hear me? Am I audible to
Yes,
you?
yes, you're audible.
Okay. First of all, we are going to learn inverse of a matrix by using adjoint method. Okay, by using adjoint. So, before to do inverse, we need to learn how to find adjoint, because inverse of a matrix, let A be any square matrix. We can find inverse for only square matrix. Let A be any square matrix. Then inverse of A is denoted by this A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, and where determinant of A not equal to 0. It must be. Then only we can find this A inverse. So now, first of all, as we know how to find determinant, so now let us know how to find adjoint. So adjoint of A is, first of all, we are doing for 2 by 2. For 2 by 2, let standard form, let matrix A having elements A11, A12, A21, and A22. And adjoint of A is, just exchange these elements. Like take here A1, A22, and here A11, and take opposite sign of these elements. Take opposite sign of these elements, like minus A21 and minus A12. This is in standard form, and we can understand by using an example this well. So A we have 5, 3, 2, 4. Adjoint of A, just exchange the diagonal elements 4 and 5. So exchange these elements and take opposite sign of these elements. Minus 2 and minus 3. So this is adjoint of A. You got it?
Yes,
Okay. Now let us find adjoint, because for 3 by 3 it is completely different, and it And we'll do for 3 by 3 by using an example, okay? Because it has a long method. So we'll do. And let us find its inverse for 2 by 2. Like find a or determinant of a, just multiply, we can write it as 5, 3, 2, 4. And now let us find determinant of a. That's 5 into 4 and 2 minus 2 into 3. So we have 20 minus 6 and we have 14. So now let us find A inverse. So A inverse, we have 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So 1 upon 14, because adjoint, determinant of A is 14, and into determinant of A, which is uh, 4, 5, minus 2 and minus 3. This is A inverse. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us do for 3 by 3. Let us take one example to understand this well. Let A having element, uh, give me a few seconds because we can take only verified questions so that we can find the defined answer. Because if we'll get determinant of matrix 0, then inverse will be undefined. So wait for a moment. We have 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 5, 0. So to find inverse, first of all, we need to know its determinant is non-zero or not. So let us find first of all, and we have question find A inverse. So to find A inverse, we need to know first of all determinant of A. If it is non-zero, then we can find A inverse. If it is zero, then we can't. So let us find determinant of A first of all. 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 5, 0. 1. You know very well how to find determinant of 3 by 3, right? We take this element and just leave the element of first row and first column and write the left elements here. Now take negative sign and write down next element. Now leave the element of first row and second column and write the rest elements. Remember? Are you getting me or not?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now let us simplify. We have 1 and just multiply 0 into 0. So we have 0 and we have minus sign already, and we have minus already this one, and into 5. Minus 3 in bracket minus 3 into 0, and minus 2 into minus 5. My plus minus 2, and in bracket minus 3 into 5, minus 2 into 0. So if we multiply 1 with any number, then we'll get number itself. So we'll get here number itself, which is 0 and plus 25, because we have minus and minus, minus minus plus 25 minus 3, and we have here 0, 3 minus 3 into 0, and minus minus plus, and we have here 10 minus 2, because we have plus minus minus. In bracket we have minus 15, because minus 3 into 5 and minus 0. So 25 and minus 3 into 10 minus 30 we have, and minus 2 into minus 15 we have plus 30. So obviously determinant of A we will get here. Determinant of A we have 25, because we'll cancel plus minus 30. You got it?
Yes, ma'am,
So
got
we
it.
have determinant of A is 25. Now we need to find adjoint to find inverse. So write down first this matrix A here. 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5, and 2, 5, and 0. Adjoint of A will have C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, and C33. And now we need to find value of from C11, C12, C21, C3, means all, we need to find these all. Okay. Now we learn how to find them. So first of all, to find C11, we need to find minus, where C11, C12 to C33 are cofactors. So to find cofactors, we need to find minors first. And here we'll find cofactors. So let us find first minor M11. Leave element of first row and first column of the matrix and write down here left. Leave element of first row and first column. So we have 0, 5, minus 5, and 0. So obviously 0 into 0, minus 5 into minus 5. So we have plus 25. And so C11 is equal to minus 1 to the power. We'll add these numbers 1 plus 1. Every time we'll add these numbers as minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. So remember always, if we have even power of minus 1, then we'll get positive. If we have odd powers of minus 1, then you'll get negative. So C11 is 25. Now let us find C12. C12. To find C12, we need to find first of all M12. So find M12. So leave element of first row and second column. Now leave the elements of first row and second column of the matrix. This one, this matrix. Okay, leave the element of first row and second column. We'll write these elements: minus 3, 2, and minus 5 and 0. So minus 3 into 0, minus 2 into minus 5. So we have 0 and here we have 10. So we have only 10. Now let us find C12, which is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into M12. So obviously we have odd power, which is 3. So we have minus M12. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
In this way, we need to find all C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, and up till to C33. We need to find all nine. Okay, all nine these elements. So now let us find M13. Now leave the element of first row and third column. First row and third column. So we have these elements to write: minus 3, 2, 0, and 5, minus 3 into 5, minus 2 into 0, minus 15, minus 0. So we have minus 15. So now let us find C13, which is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 into M13. So this is even power 1 plus 3, 4. So we have here positive C13. So C13 will be is equal to M13, which is minus 15, because we'll take directly a value of M13. So this is minus 15. So C13 also minus 15. So now let us find M21. So leave the element of second row and first column. Second row and first column we have 3, minus 2, 5, and 0. Now let us solve 3 into 0. Oh, sorry. Leave the element of second row and first column. So we have 1, sorry, 3 and minus 2. Yes, yes. Sorry, my mistake. 3 into 0, minus 5 into minus 2. So this is 0 plus 10. So we have 10 only. Now C21 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into M21. So obviously we have odd power. So we have minus M21, which is C21. C21 is equal to minus 10, because value of M21 is 10. Now let us find M22. Leave the element of second row and second column. So second row and second column: 1, 2, 2, 0. So 1 into 0, minus 2 into 2. 0 minus 4. We have minus 4. C22 is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into M22. So this is even power. So obviously we have C22 is equal to M22. C22 is equal to minus 4. Now leave the element of second row and third column. So 1, 3, 2, 5 we have. So 1 into 5 minus 2 into 6. 5 into minus 6 is equal to minus 1. C2 3 is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 5 into M2 3 minus which is odd power, so we have minus M2 3. C2 3 is equal to minus and minus 1 we have, so we have plus 1. Since we have already M2 3 negative and we have here negative of M2 3. Now let us find M3 1. Leave the element of third row and first column. Third row and first column, so 3 minus 2 0 and minus 5. So 3 into minus 5, 0 into minus 2. C31 is equal to minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 into M31. This is even power, so we have positive. So we'll take value of M31 as we have, which is minus 15. So we'll take here minus 15. Now let us find M32, which is equal to, just leave the element of third row and second column. So 1 minus 3 minus 2 and minus 5. 1 into minus 5 minus 3 into minus 2. So minus 5 minus minus plus, and again minus, we have minus only. So we have minus 11. Now let us find C32, which is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 into M32. So we have obviously minus M32, and we have minus, and value of minus, oh sorry, value of 32 is minus 11. So we have 11 only. Now let us find M33. Leave the element of third row and third column. 1, 3, minus 3, 0. So 1 into 0 minus 3 into 3. So 0 minus 0 plus 9, because minus minus plus. So we have 9. I'll just write it as is equal to 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. M3 3. So C33, just minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 into M3 3. Obviously we have positive M33, and which is equal to 9. So C33 is 9. Now let us find adjoint of A by using these all values to put here in this formula. In this formula we can find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is C11, C12, C13. C11. C11 is 25, 25 minus 10 minus 15. 25 minus 10 and minus 15. 25 minus 10 and minus 15. Now C21 is minus 10 minus 4 minus 10 minus 4 and 1 minus 10 minus 4 and 1 minus 10 minus 4 and 1. Now minus 15, minus 15, 11 and 9. Minus 15, 11 and 9. This is adjoint of A. But we need to find A inverse, which is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So write down value of determinant of A, which is 14. No, 25. Sorry, 25. 25. And adjoint of A, 25 minus 10 minus 15 minus 10 minus 4 1 minus 15 11 and 9. This is A inverse. This is answer. Got it? You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So we
Thank you.
have done A inverse for both, for 2 by 2 and also for 3 by 3. So just practice. Okay, you have most probably question of 2 by 2. Yes, you have for 3 by 3 also in 14th question, right? So in 13th question you have all of 2 by 2 order, and in 14 you have 3 by 3. Yes. And later in 15, just you need to find A inverse, B inverse, and just find the A into B first, then find its inverse, which will B inverse into A inverse. You can verify in 15th question. Okay, so just try them.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, just finish these questions and let us do tomorrow. Now we'll do for
Yes,
few
yes.
days regularly. Okay, regularly. If you can, yeah, do at 1 p.m. or 5 p.m., then tell me so that I can fix your time.
5 p.m. is fine with me.
Okay, okay. So let us do at 5 p.m. tomorrow. And to finish the syllabus, let us do regularly now. Okay?
Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
Okay, yeah.